Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm starting off with a ripe banana. You want to peel it and break it into small pieces into a blender. Bananas are rich in potassium, vitamins, and natural oils, which help improve hair elasticity to prevent split ends and breakage. Then you want to add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil contains rich ingredients that strengthens hair, conditions scalp, and helps with hair growth. Next, we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is great for the winter months as it moisturizes your hair and prevents split ends. Further on, add in about a tablespoon of almond oil. Its healthy ingredients nourishes and strengthen your hair. Then I am adding about a tablespoon of honey. Its humectant properties helps regulate and retain moisture in hair, plus strengthens hair follicles for healthy growth. Next, I am adding 1 egg. This will prevent hair loss, improve hair shine, and repair hair damage. Lastly, I am going to add about half a shot of milk to help dilute the mixture, but it also restores natural shine and luster to the hair. Now I am going to blend the ingredients together in a blender until everything is combined. So as you can see, my hair was in need of a very moisturizing and fortifying hair mask. So I am just going to section my hair to begin applying the mixture from the ends to the roots. So you guys, you want to make sure you really saturate your hair with this mixture, and also I don't know if you saw, but I did rub it into my scalp because I want all those great ingredients to really penetrate my scalp also. And guys, look how defined my curls are. This I am really going to be doing this mask another time again because I really like the definition it has given my curls. So now I'm just going to put a plastic bag on, and I am going to sit under a dryer and wait like 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
So you can see how moisturized my hair and defined it looks. So I'm just going to rinse out the mixture from my hair with cool water. So this is like the results, guys. You can see how moisturized and healthy my hair is looking, but mostly like my curls are, because obviously I am transitioning, so the straight part, we don't count that. I'm actually just talking about the curly part. So you guys, these are the results. I hope this video helped you in some way. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And thanks for watching. Bye.